y'all? It's your girl Kaylin. Welcome back to the channel. Today I will be bringing you guys a natural hair product review. I'm trying out Cocunat. I hope I'm saying that name correctly. It is a fairly new product line, at least it is to me. They sent me 3 products. First, I will be trying out this hair repair mask. It's called Boomtastic. Such a fun name. Boomtastic, sexy and fantastic hair. And it also came with this towel wrap as well. It's a microfiber cloth. Feels really soft. And I think this might be my new favorite hair towel. I'll also be trying out the curl booster, a curl spray, and the capillary argan serum. So that's what that is right there. For the curl booster, it does say to use this product to achieve defined, nourished, and bouncy curls without any matted effect. So my idea is it's a very lightweight product. It doesn't cause your hair to crunch up, so it will create a defined look, but it won't be crunchy. Now I really hope I'm going to like it, because my definition of fine and defined curls is like, I like it to be hard at first, you know, that way my wash and goes can last. I never really used a product where, you know, I'm gonna be styling it and then it ended up just, you know, soft still and defined. So we'll see how this goes. And then I think I want to use the curl spray for like next day hair. So I'm not going to use this on yes I am. We're going to just use it all together today, okay? Because for the curl spray, it says it offers medium hold, it's a styling product, and it can be a curl refresher. So I'll use this on my next day hair as well, and also use it with the styling process as well. So let's get on right into the video. All right guys, so I will be starting out by shampooing my hair with this product, and then we're going to towel dry our hair with this cute towel. I just wanted to show you guys this towel is so freaking cute and so freaking soft. It's kind of like a beach towel feel. All right y'all, so I have my hair towel on. I'm just getting out the excess moisture out of my hair, and then I'm going to apply the product. First, let's do a smell test. It smells good. It's giving a lemony vibe. It's very creamy and lightweight. I'm loving how soft that is. Oh yeah, the towel did the job. I'm going to start off with small sections, starting from the back of course, and I'm going to apply this product very generously, just because I want to make sure that every single last strand gets this wonderful product on my hair. On top of that, if you are natural, which I'm pretty sure you are if you're watching this video, we like to apply a bunch of product. Like, you just have to. But yeah, this product is working wonders. The slip is amazing. It's giving. I love it. Today I will not be using my wet brush just because I want to see what the product does without me having to use hair tools. Just gonna see what the product do by itself. Just product and finger work. But so far, so good. I'm loving this product. Look at that definition already. That definition is really coming through. Okay, but you cannot tell the way a product really works until your hair is dry, so we shall see. I like to especially add product focusing on the back of my hair because I just know that the texture is a lot more thicker back there. But yeah, this product was very easy to apply because it is lightweight and it slips through with no problem at all. You can actually tell that it helps with you know, the detangling. The fact that I didn't even have to use my wet brush to get out the little tangles I did have, that's a great sign. We're gonna let the product sit for 30 minutes. Okay guys, so this is my hair after I have rinsed out the product. I have got to say it is so soft, and my hair normally doesn't look. First of all, y'all, let me say this is my first time seeing my hair in about 2 weeks. I've been keeping my wig braids in my head, of course, wearing wigs, and it's a lot thicker. And of course, since I've used that product, it's so soft, it feels so moist, and the curls are a lot more defined. It isn't too much frizz going on, and it looks like once this actually dries, if I use no product, my curls will be still bomb. So that's how I feel about this product. I love it. So we're gonna go ahead and use the curl booster today. Since we're trying out a product, instead of water, I'm gonna use this curl spray to weten up my hair. I will be doing the praying hands method, and that's just when I stretch out the hair, just because I'm not using any hair tools. So I'm gonna work the product through like this and let it curl up on its own. And then when I'm done, I'm gonna scrunch the product up, and we call that the pulse method. So my thoughts on this product is really good. Like, the slip is amazing, and I just want to take a moment and let's look at this hair. This hair though, we are down to here. What? Okay. And the shrinkage is real. Okay, Coconut, I'm messing with you. You got me on your team. This is definitely curly girl approved. Dry for like 15 minutes. Diffuse my hair and then we gonna see what it's looking like. Alright, so I just wanted to come and give my feedback on the product so far. I'm really liking the definition that it has given my hair. I do like the medium hold that I'm feeling. So before, I was thinking that the product was going to be so light to the point where I wasn't going to feel any type of hold, but I definitely feel it. And when it dries, my curls about to be popping. So let's see. Alright y'all, so I really do like these products, and can you tell, like, my freaking hair is so defined. Like, you can tell and see every curl without a problem. Super defined, super bouncy, so soft, and I got my hold. It feels so defined, and it's not a crunchy feeling either, but it's still, you know, locked in place. There's no frizz. That's like one of my favorite parts, even though I know once this gets older, this is gonna look so cute with a little bit of frizz, because I don't really like freshly done hair. But this is a bomb first day wash and go for sure, and I'm in love. I will insert some pictures of my, I'm not even gonna give y'all an order, but you know, after it gets a little bit older and bigger, bushier, and y'all can see what that looks like. But what's up y'all, I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my day. Let's see, what day is this? This is day 3 of having this wash and go, and I really can tell if I like a product once it gets to like day 3, day 4, because that's when I really like to see like what products I need to use to refresh my hair. But this product, I haven't needed anything to refresh my hair, honestly, and I have used the curl refresher. I used that yesterday, but today I didn't do anything. I just been fluffing out my hair, and I just really love how the curls are super defined. My hair is like really thick,
really soft still. It feels really moisturized, and yeah, like look at that definition. It's like very minimum frizz. Like, of course it's an afro, you know, it's gonna be frizzy, but it's real cute. It's got some good curls going.
Thanks guys for watching. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. What's up, y'all? I just wanted to give an update on the product. This is my hair a little over a week later. My hair is really dry. If you can tell, I'm sure you can. This is the buildup that came off my hair after taking out my braids that I had in. I don't like that. But overall, like the initial styling I did like, so I wouldn't suggest leaving this product in your hair for too long. That's all I'm saying about that.